Emily Seagren here. It's been a while since I've done a live video on my personal feed, and I wanted to show you some of my latest favorite products and also show you some of my go-tos, my standby products that I always have to have on hand. A couple people have recently reached out and asked about skincare products, so I wanted to share what I'm using right now. And I got a goodie in the mail from our rewards program, so I also want to unbox it with you guys. So first of all, hey everyone, I have on our Glimmer Kiss in, what is it? It's pink, no, Violet Sapphire. The Glimmer Kiss is buildable, so you can go for a little bit of shimmer or a bold shine, metallic shine. I like to put our True Color Lip Glow in Stunner on top. Since the Glimmer Kiss is a lasting liquid lipstick, it is a little bit drier, so I just complement that with a gloss. So that also comes in Ruby, Sand Opal, and Amethyst. So I like all of them. When I do a bolder lip, I do try to do a little bit more of a subtle eye. Since I'm tired of the snow and the icky weather, I am channeling my spring, summer look. I have some pink and purple jewelry on, and I covered my black liquid eyeliner with, thank you, Sarah. I covered my black liquid eyeliner with our Purple Rain Glimmer Stick. So that is a diamond one. It has a little bit of a glitter to it, and I'm channeling my pink and purple since I have the black shirt on. We also have our Glimmer Shadows liquid. These are an addition. We came out with, I think it's 6 colors last year, and they were a hit. And so now we've added 3 more. We might have had 8, and they're getting rid of 2 of them with these new colors. There are some that are shimmer and there are some that are glitter. So that is a good fact to know, especially if some people aren't real crazy about glitter. My favorite 2 mascaras, Love at First Lash. It actually has heart-shaped fibers to give you length. And then our SUPERSHOCK Volumizing Mascara. I like to mix the 2 sometimes. I take the Love at First Lash, try to define and separate and lengthen, and then use the SUPERSHOCK to give a little bit more of a heavier look. Okay, what else do we have here? For those that are Avon shoppers, right now you can use code BELIEF. So that is BELIF on our representative websites to get 6 samples of our BELIEF Aqua Bomb and Moisturizing Balm. And Rob and I think I told you before, we are fighting over the Aqua Bomb, and so I need to bring another one home. I really like the Aqua Bomb. I love both of them. The Moisturizing Balm seems a little bit thicker, where the Aqua Bomb is like a gel cream. So, I don't know, sometimes I use the gel cream during the day, but I do think you have to add SPF, yeah. So there's no SPF in there. This, no, nothing has beat this. Nothing has replaced this for me yet. This is the Ultimate Supreme Dual Elixir. I love this product. It's probably my favorite skincare product that we've ever had. And if you guys go to your websites, it's actually given like 4.8 out of 5 stars based on customer reviews. So that is huge. So it just goes to show the quality of the product, how much our customers love it. It's got a dual pump there, so half that comes out is oil and half is serum. I love our Anew Clinical Eye Lift, you guys. This is another go-to where I haven't found something that I like better. So I sell a ton of these, the Anew Clinical Eye Lift. It's got a cream that goes under your eye and a gel that goes right underneath your brow bone. So I get dark circles and I get under eye bags. Those are my big concerns with eyes. And this seriously helps with that. So if you also have dark circles or under eye bags, get yourself some clinical eye lifts. I also have one of the new VDL primers, which I am also wearing. So let me tell you the order that I put these on, because I do know it's quite a bit of product, but it doesn't feel heavy or it doesn't feel like I have a lot on my face. So first I have on the dual ELIXIR, followed by the AQUA Balm, followed by the eye cream, and then the VDL primer. Okay, so the VDL you can wear without makeup or you can wear it under your makeup. It gives you a nice glow. I never run out of these. I do love these. I like the rice water cleansing wipes too, but I went back to my makeup remover wipes, and those are amazing. It comes with 24 wipes, so it almost lasts you a whole month. And I am still loving all of my Face Shop makeup. So this is the MONOPOP Coral Palette. Sometimes I'll do the glimmer shadow and then go in and fill in with a powder shadow to give it a little more dimension. And then I have, excuse my messy compacts, but I have my Cushion foundation. It is the neutral ivory, which is surprising because I've never picked out ivory for myself before, but that is the one that matched the best. So the Cushion foundation is something new for us at Avon, and it actually is liquid makeup that's held by that sponge. We have a little puff. It seems more like a sponge. They call it a ruby cell applicator, I guess. This is what the blush one looks like. My foundation one was so messy, I didn't want you guys to see it. But anyways, I love the Cushion. You just dab it. So dab and then apply. For those of you that don't know, when you do start to get wrinkles, a lot of times people recommend doing a liquid because it won't settle in your lines as much as a powder will. I did notice, you guys, I sell a lot of the regimens, so the full-size kit for Ultimate and Platinum. It comes with full-size day, night cream, and eye cream, and then a mini power serum. My power serum sales have gone way up since they started including that in the regimen kit. I I still won't go away from my dual elixir, but I think they're on sale for like $55, which they individually are usually on sale for about $23. So they're really getting a good deal there by getting 3 full-size products and the mini. The Propylethera, I love having shampoo and conditioner with pumps. It's anything to save a minute in the morning. I love having them in the shower. It has a great smell to it. It's made up of honey royal jelly and propolis. I'm always forgetting something. Let me open my gift. So this is part of our rewards program. And we got to choose. So this is actually my reward for being a top seller. I sold at the inner circle level. I'm hoping it is what I think it is. We'll see. You guys will see with me. So it is very hard to sell at the inner circle level. Even with having a store and selling online, I've only made inner circle, I think, 2 or 3 years out of my 12. You have to sell over 220,000 annually. Hi, Julie. Hey, Heather. And this is a new rewards program, so it is what I thought it was. This is my first Apple Watch. I will try to open it. I know they have pretty fancy packaging. See if I can figure it out. I might not be able to, but not too hard. All right. Ooh, cool. So I chose the black one. Rob has an Apple Watch, and he was like, oh, so you're gonna have notifications all day long. So I think I will like it for the convenience. And some days maybe I won't wear it if I have too much to get done and I can't be getting notified all day long. All right, you guys, thank you so much, Avon. I'm super excited. We are going on spring break in just under 2 weeks here. I've been working really hard. We have free sign up for Avon. Our team has signed up almost 800 new team members. So I really have been working really hard trying to keep up with all the new team members, support my current team members, and really just make the most of it. So I am excited to vacation. Can't wait to see a lot of Avon representatives in Jamaica in May. That will be here before we know it. Have a great day, you guys. I will chat with you later. Bye.